The Graco SnugRide SnugLock 35 Platinum XT for comfortable and secure transportation. It grows with your baby from 4 to 35 pounds. And it has a hassle-free installation in 3 steps using latch or the vehicle seatbelt. Click. That's the sound of a secure install. Getting your baby in and out is easy with the one-hand adjustable handle. Our silent shade canopy adjusts without disturbing your baby. Plus, it includes a canopy visor and mesh extension panel. Cleanup is a breeze with the rapid remove washable seat pad, while the all-weather boot keeps your baby comfortable. Our Simply Safe Adjust harness adapts easily with one hand. Install the stay-in-car base only once. Our Safety Core Energy Absorption Zone absorbs crash forces in the event of a crash. If you install the seat with latch, our Right LATCH provides 1-second latch attachment. And the easy-to-read level indicator helps eliminate guesswork. The adjustable base offers 4 recline positions for a proper installation. Graco meets and exceeds the U.S. safety standards with safe seat engineering. Click Connect allows our seats to attach to all Graco Click Connect strollers and bases in one step. Protect your precious passenger with the Graco SnugRide SnugLock 35 Platinum XT.